In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Minecraft server using Hostinger. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to brush up on your server setup skills, this guide will help you every step of the way. To get started, head over to Hostinger's website. Once you're there, you'll want to find the section for VPS, which stands for Virtual Private Server. Clicking on VPS will take you to the options Hostinger offers for virtual servers, which are perfect for hosting your Minecraft server. The next step is to click on Game Panel. This will take you to a special interface that makes it easy to manage game servers. Here, you'll find an option labeled Get Now. Click on that to begin the setup process for your server. You'll then be prompted to choose a location. The location you choose can affect your server's performance, depending on where you and your players are located. Pick a location that is closest to the majority of your players to minimize lag and ensure smooth gameplay. After selecting a location, you'll see a button labeled Next. Click on it, and you'll be directed to create a password. This password is important, so make sure it's something secure but memorable, as you'll be using it to access your server management tools. Once you've chosen a password, click Next again. Now it's time to select a plan. Hostinger offers various plans tailored to different needs, so take a moment to consider the number of players you expect and choose a plan that best fits your requirements. After selecting your plan, click on Select, which will lead you to the payment options. Click on Choose Payment Method to see the various ways you can pay for your server. Hostinger offers a range of payment methods, so feel free to pick the one you're most comfortable with. Once you've made your choice, complete the necessary payment details and click on Submit Payment. The next phase of our setup involves connecting your domain, which is done via Cloudflare. Head over to your Cloudflare account and select Add to begin connecting a domain to your server. Click on Connect a Domain. Here, you'll have to type in the domain name you'll be using. Make sure everything is spelled correctly. Click on Home to go back to your account overview, and then on the domain you just highlighted to manage it. Click Continue to proceed with the configuration and Manage from the dashboard to direct you to DNS settings. Lastly, you'll need to manage your DNS records, which are the final touch to ensure your server is up and running smoothly. With all configurations in place, you're ready to invite players to your brand new Minecraft server. Enjoy building and exploring together with friends in your own virtual world. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!